Okay, so I pretty much drew the spitting image of Benedict Cumberbatch on this little stick man, so hope you'll enjoy him. I thought it was quite hard to see his face last time, so here we go. He's a righty, obviously. We're going to talk about elbow pops as part of a conveyor belt in this situation. So the conveyor belt comes over the elbow like there, and then normally you would push your hand out and then it would keep wrapping over. But the elbow pop is going to be to keep going, and instead of it's a rolling elbow pop. So instead of a little throw, blap blap blap, and repeat the elbow pop, we are going to do it as a kind of roll, which partially involves, so it comes along here, pushing this out, but then the roll kind of travels back and then does the elbow pop again, rolls back, elbow, rolls back, elbow. Unfortunately, I can't do it that many times, but if I could, I would. So in the other direction, the elbow, oh my god, lefty, get out of the way. In the other direction, the conveyor belt would wrap the wrist and then go over the elbow joint here. But instead, as we go under, we're kind of trying to force the roll when it's on the forearm, and then have it roll back and do this elbow again, roll back, elbow again. So in this situation, as it turns here, we're trying to get it to roll forwards. So it's rolling this way, and then as it turns, that direction leads it back. There. Brett Starr is pretty good at these. You'll have seen him do it in various videos, I believe. So there is an element of feeling that forearm roll transition. So the transition, we push it out, but instead of straightening your arm out and letting it roll down like you would in a forearm roll, you then rebend it and have it continue back onto the forearm. But there's not much out and back in again, it's just a little bit. So it's a little blap blap. So it's not like full out, full back in, it's just a little like blap blap initially. Hopefully you can eventually get that to like keeping the elbow constantly in. And that is the rolling elbow pop. Hopefully the name kind of makes sense. The elbow pops just go as a throw off the elbow, so now this rolling version, it doesn't pop off the elbow, but it's the same kind of thing that's happening.